In this video, we'll talk about which one is better for your Shopify. Is it Google Ads or Facebook Ads? So the most important concepts that you'll need to know is Google Ads is basically is an intent based. People are already maybe searching for something, maybe buy wireless earbuds, maybe buy some protein powder. So you're basically catching demand that already exists. But for Facebook ads, this is basically discovery based. People are just doom scrolling through the application or the website. So they're not searching to buy. You just interrupt them with the product. So, as a first glaze, I would advise you to go with Google Ads because, as I said, it's better. So, in like Facebook, people are scrolling and sometimes they always skip ads because it's annoying. It stopped their scrolling. So they're not searching to buy. You interrupt them with just a product. You're creating demand, but not capturing it. It still works. It's still good. But this basically difference decides everything on what you want to go with. So when Google Ads, as example, is better for Shopify. Google Ads works better if your products basically solve or serve as an example a clear problem. People already search for that product. Or you can, example, describe it in simple keywords. Maybe you're selling a screwdriver. Maybe you're selling a glass. Maybe, I don't know what you're selling. So, and your price, of course, should be competitive as well. Maybe like phone accessories, home improvement items, health and utility products, replacement or problem-solving products. So Google Ads usually has higher buyer intent and lower creative pressure and more stable performance. But clicks are more expensive in Google Ads, and bad keywords burn money fast. So if you're going with Google Ads, you will need to have a good budget and you will need to make a very good research about your products to basically have the exact keywords that you need. So if someone's searching for that keyword, your products or your ad will show first. So now let's talk about when the Facebook ads is better for Shopify. So Facebook ads basically works better if your product is visual, or maybe it looks good on video. Maybe it triggers emotion or curiosity for other people, or just people just don't search for it yet. It's not popular yet. So it's not popular if people will not search for it in Google. It means it's better for Google ads, or sorry, for Facebook ads. So let me just tell you about some examples. Maybe you can go with some gadgets, some beauty and skincare for female, some fitness accessories, something new that people never heard of, maybe some lifestyle products. So some advantages that Facebook ads has, basically it has cheaper testing, so you do not require like an insane amount of budget, and it has some massive reach. A lot of people scroll through Facebook daily, or Instagram, it will show the same ad. So that is very good. And of course, it's also had great for scaling winners, but it will require some strong creatives to track or to attract the viewer. Because they're scrolling, your ad needs to attract them, needs them or require you to keep them in the ad. And of course, it needs constant testing. You'll need to test this. If it's not working, test this. If it's not working, test this until you reach the point that, oh, this is the right one. This is the right ad to go for. And of course, weak ads will die fast. So let's just talk basically some beginner realities. For Google Ads, it's basically harder to learn and easier to mess up with keywords. And of course, it has high cost per click and less creative work. But for Facebook ads, it's basically easier to launch, it's lower starting budget, and it's creative heavy. So it needs frequent updates. So if you hit editing videos, Google Ads may feel easier for you. And if you are creative, Facebook ads gives you more leverage. So scaling, let's just talk about scaling. Scaling will work differently because Facebook ads, like it scales by duplicating winning creative, increasing budget slowly, and broad audiences. But for Google ads, it scales by expanding keywords, increasing bids, and adding shopping campaigns. So most big Shopify brands use both, use Google ads and Facebook ads for, as example, once profitable. And now I'm just going to tell you some common beginner mistake that people do. Basically, big mistakes to avoid is just using Google Ads with no keyword research. If you're not going to research some good keywords for your product, do not use it. And maybe also using Google Ads or Facebook Ads with some boring creative. So if someone scroll, find the ad, oh, it's boring, scroll again. Because people are already dumb scrolling. If the reel is not captivating or not attracting the viewer, it will scroll the reel. Let's not talk about ads. Ads, once you see the ad, you keep scrolling, even if sometimes it's distracting. So make sure to do not test both platforms at the same time. With small budgets, it will hurt you as well. And make sure to not keep switching platforms every week. So 1 week here, 1 week here, 1 week here. No, pick one platform first, learn it, then expand. Once you see everything working, you can go and expand to other platform. So finally, you'll have just to make a decision. Basically, here's a simple rule that you'll need to follow. So if already people searching for your products, if it's known, make sure to use Google Ads. If your product sells through visuals, it's looking good, it can attract people, make sure to sell it through Facebook ads. If your budget is very limited, make sure to use Facebook ads. If you have high budget or if your product is high intent, make sure to use Google ads. There's no universal winner, only the right fit for your ads. So I guess I mentioned everything I wanted to. So that should be it for me in this video. I hope this video helps you. So thank you for watching and goodbye.